Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can view your mobile data usage for the month on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on connections. Next, go down and tap on data usage, and then in here you'll be able to find out how much data that you have used so far for this month. So you can see on my mobile device, it shows that from the 1st of April to the 30th of April, I have used up 4.33 megabytes of data. And in here I also have data saver turned on, so I'm going to turn that off. And in here you can see mobile data usage, so you can tap on that and that will give you some more information, such as which app uses up the most data for that month, and it goes from the most usage to the least usage in the list here. And if you tap on the settings icon, you can also set the start billing cycle on. You can set data warning, and set data limit. And that's it. So that's how you can view your mobile data usage on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.